A legend born in the golden age of automotive passion, the Lamborghini Miura P400S emerged as the car that redefined what a supercar could be. Its low-slung stance, seductive curves, and unmistakable mid-engine design whispered danger and elegance in equal measure. Every line of its body seemed to be drawn not just to cut through the air, but to steal hearts. The Miura wasn't merely a car, it was a sculpture in motion, a symbol of rebellion and speed that transformed the image of Lamborghini forever. As the sunlight danced on its sweeping aluminum panels, the Miura P400S showcased a personality unlike anything else on the road. The pop-up headlights, hidden within those hypnotic eyelids, gave it a predatory gaze, while the signature, eyelash, detailing around the lamps became an icon of its era. The rear echoed pure aggression, with vents carved like the ridges of a raging bull's back and a low deck hiding one of the most intoxicating engines ever built. Its stance, wide, grounded, and impossibly sleek, made it appear ready to leap forward even at rest. Inside, the cockpit felt like something from another world. A low seating position pulled the driver deep into the machine, surrounded by leather-wrapped surfaces and polished aluminum switches that exuded Italian craftsmanship. The dashboard curved around like a racing instrument panel, every gauge angled towards the driver, hinting at the seriousness of what lay behind the seat. Despite its minimalist cabin, the Miura's interior radiated glamour, a perfect blend of sophistication and raw intent. The true magic, however, rested just inches behind the driver, a 3.9-liter V12 engine mounted transversely, a daring feat of engineering at the time. It roared with 370 horsepower in the P400S version, sending the car surging past 170 miles per hour with a symphony of metallic fury. The induction noise, the high rev wail, and the vibrations pulsing through the chassis created an experience that was nothing short of primal. Lamborghini's engineers had crafted not just power, but an orchestra of sound and sensation that burned itself into the soul of anyone lucky enough to hear it. The P400S, introduced in 1969, refined what the original Miura had started. It carried subtle but crucial improvements, stronger chassis components, better brakes, and a touch more refinement for grand touring comfort. Chrome trim lined its exterior, electric windows were added, and the interior materials reached a new level of luxury. It was the Miura maturing, balancing performance and poise without losing its wild, rebellious heart. On winding roads, the Miura demanded respect. Its rear weight bias made it thrilling yet unforgiving, a car that rewarded skill and punished carelessness. Every corner became a delicate dance of precision, throttle control, and courage. But when mastered, it delivered sensations that no other car could replicate. It wasn't about lap times or data, it was about the purity of driving, the rush of mechanical harmony, and the feeling of taming something alive. To see a Miura P400S today is to glimpse an era when design and emotion ruled over aerodynamics and algorithms. Its influence spread far beyond Lamborghini. It inspired an entire generation of mid-engine supercars, from Ferrari to McLaren. Even modern Lamborghinis carry traces of its DNA, the fierce stance, the engine placement, and the unyielding devotion to drama and beauty. Collectors now treat the Miura as a masterpiece, a priceless chapter in automotive history. Yet beyond the numbers and the auctions, it remains a reminder of what cars once represented: freedom, artistry, and passion unbound by compromise. The Miura P400S didn't just move people across roads, it moved them emotionally, proving that perfection could wear the shape of a raging bull. Every glance, every rev, every curve of its silhouette still ignites the same spark that once changed the automotive world. The Miura P400S isn't just remembered, it's worshipped, forever standing as the car that made the dream of the supercar real.